Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Account Security Checkup, complete guide step. Begin by opening your web browser. Type in the address bar myaccount.google.com and press enter. Once the page loads, sign in with your Google account credentials. If you're already signed in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. On the left side of the screen, locate and click on Security. Scroll down to find the section labeled Your Devices. Here, you will see all devices currently signed in to your Google account. Next, look for the Security Checkup option. Click on Security Checkup to start the authentication process. You may be prompted to verify your identity using your password or two-step verification. Once authenticated, you will see a summary of your account security status. Review the recommendations provided for enhancing your account protection. Follow the prompts to check your recovery options, such as your phone number and recovery email. You'll also have the option to review third-party app access and remove any suspicious ones. Pay attention to any alerts regarding unusual activity, take action if necessary. If you haven't enabled two-factor authentication, follow the steps to set it up. Completing these steps will help secure your Google account. Once finished, you can exit the security checkup by clicking Done. Regularly performing the security checkup enhances your account's safety. Consider setting a reminder to check your account security every few months. This ensures your information remains protected and up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.